little bit of an issue last year with birds literally stripping our trees of all our cherries. Our lovely cherries are just about ready to pick. We've already been through and picked off quite a few. We did this one with the intention of doing that tree the very next day, and we left it for 2 days. We came back and not a single piece of fruit left. The birds picked it clean just to spite us. I went to Plumbing World to get some of this stuff here. I'll explain. This is 50mm waste pipe. I went to Plumbing World and they said, oh, you're a tradesman, we'll give it to you trade. I said, excellent. They said $153 plus GST per length, and I said, bugger off. So I got on the net and I found the same stuff made by Marley for $21 from a place called the Home Depot, and they are all throughout New Zealand, so go give them a call. And you can put that down now, guys. To use is the wraparounds. For electrical conduit, the cheapest is like $20, $24 a length. I went to a place called Reef Specs. Speak to a guy called John at Reef Specs. He'll sort you out, and this is it was so much cheaper. I'm not gonna give prices because
you're a tradesman.
I'm a tradesman, but even if you go in there and you're not a tradesman, I guarantee you'll be cheaper than buying it anywhere else. There's a hacksaw for cutting this. That there will leave full lengths. We won't, but we're going to cut this into 3 metre lengths. Going to get you to grab this end. And I want you to walk around that way. Walk out that way. Olivia, could you hold on to that end? No, just walk straight, love. Walk straight. Right, attach this. Because I want to take this apart and use it again next year. I'm not going to glue it. I'm just going to...
Oh, yep. So it'll just be ready to assemble each year.
Yep. The other thing you're going to need is lots and lots of cable ties. Let's use one. John will also sort you out with cable ties at Reef Specs. Right.
Why are you tying that?
Right, you go to your end. Right. Olivia and Aston, walk together. Walk towards Sam. Yeah, walk together. Put your end in.
So you make a circle,
Olivia.
Connect the ends together.
This is dreadfully painful. Right, push it in. Yay! Right.
Yay, we've made the world's biggest hula hoop.
I'm not going to try hula hooping it, you idiot.
You are.
Boo.
Then we put another cable tie through.
Which is a white one.
Doesn't matter what colour they are. They have to last the season and then they'll go into storage.
Maybe it does matter.
It does
Aesthetics, darling.
You want aesthetics?
You've come to the wrong channel.
Then we put it over the tree.
Put it over us.
It is going over you guys. There we go. Now I got these from Bunnings and they worked out to $8 each from a set of 10. Go for basic thing please, Olivia.
Yeah, I carried it like from there to here. I hear you. Can you pull it off on?
One. 3 metres.
Yes.
That's one. Can you please hold on to this?
Yeah.
Take that down that way.
Alright,
Put on the end of this.
Yep, the one that hasn't been chopped.
Right down.
Keep going.
I already got that.
Right. Yep, let go.
You could have hurt yourself, Dad.
I wasn't going to hurt myself.
It's more likely to hurt himself with the saw than...
I know. You'd be surprised what I can injure myself with.
And it's usually not what you expect.
Yeah, I know. Alright. So we got 3 of these lengths, should all be the same. 3 of these things should all be the same now. Do, 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 do.
Do, 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 do.
So we're going to go 1.
And this is Charlie.
2. 1. 2.
2,
1.
3, 4.
2. Then we measure up 1.5 metres.
So measuring in half again.
Thank you, son. You're a good help. There, there, there. Yep, that'll do. Thank you.
You could have put it on my foot, Dad.
How much is that? Right, and then one hole in the very top.
I thought you were drilling your hands.
Now these here go over like this.
Oh, that's
1.
That's high.
Now you guys go make the roof. Grab that in, Aston.
You're supposed to cherry tree.
Wash the cherry. As Olivia's demonstrating, she's putting all the cut grass down to act as a weed suppressant.
Yep, keeps moisture at the base of the tree and it helps to suppress all the grass and stuff around it.
Eventually it composts.
Yes, it
And
does.
Yes,
makes the perfect fertilizer. And always remember to jump on it, to press it down, and jumping on it is fun as well.
All right.
So where do we get that bird netting from in the end?
This cost us $16 from Bunnings. Grab that and walk over to the other side of the circle, please, Olivia.
Yep. I can. Aston, grab this.
Yeah, and we're going to stretch it all the way out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some cable ties down. We're going to stretch it out as we go. Lots and lots of cable ties are required.
This is so basic.
Another cable tie, please, Olivia.
Everyone? Yeah.
You're standing on them, that's why I'm asking you for them.
Can we go under it?
You can go under it now.
Shut down on the side. We're in a tent. Mum, can you hold up the other side?
Oi, what happened to my cable tie holder?
Yep.
Yeah!
Right. No, you're not looking. Go from this side and you pinch the back of the head, so when you cut it, it doesn't leave any sharp bits that can cut you. Aston will hand me 3 big cable ties.
Careful. Should I come up the other side and help?
No.
It's too dangerous.
See, so that's the hole I put on the top. Put that round like that. Put that there. That's it. Cable tied in place. Now I'll go around and do that on all of them. Is that a real long one? Is that a long one?
Round? Should we go round?
Hang on.
Should we go round? Yeah.
Hang on. Yes, go round.
Yeah, go round, 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 round.
frame done.
Top.
Am I gonna cable tie it?
Yep. Yeah. Do you want to move your bike out of the way?
Yep, sure.
Olivia.
Okay, that's the problem with little helpers, that they're just unreliable.
I come in past.
Oh, crash.
Wow.
Oh, look, fits perfect.
Wow. Wow. I can go up there and help cable tying. Dad, your back that's showing.
That's because he's a tradesman. It's part of the job description. If you're lucky, I'll edit out that comment.
No, do not edit it out. It would make an amazing moment.
You have
Can I
you
come
reckon,
up
babe?
here? Can I come
That's
up
looking pretty cool.
About every 300 mils, you're putting a cable tie down to pull the netting nice and tight to keep the birds out. Yeah.
Yeah, just tying one side on the last bit.
This safety pin here.
So then we've got a little door so we can get in and pick the fruit. So there's a safety pin it, so
See that hole there, see that hole there.
thing of beauty. Although we might snip the cable ties on the top. They look a bit vicious somehow. No birds are getting in there, but the bees still can. Should they so wish. Done.
So thanks to Respect for helping provide some of this gear. Well, I mean we paid for it, but you know, giving us the best price. And yeah, do your thing. We told John to find the desk. Where's gear? Excellent.